The Pigeon and the Mango Tree. 8 big white pigeons lived in a green and peaceful field. One day, he planted a small mango tree with his tiny wings. He loved the plant and wanted it to grow strong. Every day, the pigeon brought water in a small clay pot and carefully poured it near the roots. He also removed the dry leaves and protected it from bugs. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Slowly, the little plant became a strong mango tree. It had many green leaves, thick branches, and soon, sweet, yellow mangoes started growing. The pigeon was very happy. He danced around the tree and sang songs of joy. "This is my tree, my hard work," he thought with pride. Birds came from faraway places to see the beautiful tree. Some asked for mangoes, and the kind pigeon always shared. The tree had plenty of fruit, and the pigeon was never greedy. But one hot afternoon, a big wild elephant came into the field. He was hungry and tired. When he saw the mango tree full of juicy fruit, he rushed toward it. He pulled the branches, ate the mangoes, and shook the tree hard. In his hunger, the elephant didn't realize he was hurting the tree. Soon, many branches broke, and the tree got badly damaged. The pigeon watched helplessly. His eyes filled with tears. His heart felt heavy. "I worked so hard for this tree," he cried. "Why did this happen?" The elephant looked at the pigeon and stopped. He saw the broken tree, the fallen mangoes, and the pigeon's tears. He felt ashamed. "I'm sorry," said the elephant softly. "I was too hungry. I didn't mean to break your tree." The pigeon was silent for a moment. Then he said, "I forgive you, but you must help me fix it." From that day on, the elephant came every day to water the tree with the pigeon. They both worked together, planting new seeds, supporting the broken branches, and cleaning the field. Slowly, the tree started to heal. New leaves came, and one day, tiny mangoes appeared again. The pigeon and the elephant became best friends. They learned that working together and caring for others brings real happiness, much more than just sweet mangoes. And this time, when the tree grew strong again, both of them danced under its shade, not just as friends, but as family. Moral: kindness, forgiveness, and teamwork can fix even what seems broken.